Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Twin Flames Universe, your guide to discovering your twin flame, eternal love, and spirituality. I am certified ascension coach Arshia Naina, and today we are reading from the card deck Angel Answers. So stay tuned, all divine feminines, because this card deck is already pre-shuffled and it is unbelievable. The message, it is for every single divine feminine, no matter what stage you are in your union, in your relationship with your twin flame, you have no relationship, you are searching for your twin flame, no matter which stage you are in, this card reading is for you because it is a sure shot. Basically, the first card I have received is remain positive. Voila, there you go. That's what I said. Stay till the end of the card reading. It is angel answers. It is a very divine. The angels are really supporting the union. That is what I'm seeing. Whether you have a relationship, don't have a relationship, it really does not matter because the angels, the universe, the power of love, divine, everyone wants this relationship to work. That is why there is a lot of positivity in this card reading, and claim this positivity in the card reading towards your union by leaving a like, and also leave your comments here if you feel guided to, or ask your questions here if you feel guided to. So remain positive is the first card I had received, and as I'm seeing, it's a beautiful, happy angel giving you a very glittery bouquet of flowers. So do receive it. This card reading is literally a gift from the divine. So please receive it and stay tuned till the end because it's very short. I only received few cards, not a lot like usual. So this angel is very happy giving you this gift, and it is important to remain positive. There is also a direct message in this. If you want to manifest your union, or if you are already in union and if your masculine has to open up to you further, or you are looking forward to whatever it is in the relationship, remain positive. Basically, what I am seeing is gratitude from a place of heart, instead of complaining, instead of staying in victimhood. Gratitude from your heart will really lead you to results, really lead you to the end of this card reading. It's beautiful, the card reading. So it will really lead you to the destination that you want to go into. So gratitude also helps you develop trust and faith. So start working on this and choose to remain positive. Make a conscious choice to remain positive. Improving health. So improving health, that is what it's showing, is it is improving. Your situation with your masculine is improving. It is, I can see a basically an angel here with a 888, a lot of spiraling up is what I'm seeing in this card deck. So this relationship is getting healthy and it is improving. It might look like, oh, you're going through fights and going through a very difficult time, but it is 100% improving and it is moving upward. It is because you're healing that your twin flame or your masculine mirrors you. Right. When they mirror you, what happens is they are the darkest, deepest mirror you can find. They will mirror the dark things in you, the negative emotions in you, so that you can go and heal and become a healthy human being, mentally, physically, emotionally, and go back to your true, authentic self. Go back to that self who is made of love. And what happens when you go back to that self? You are a healthy being who is so fulfilled in yourself, mentally, emotionally, and physically. You are so fulfilled, you are so healed, no traumas, you are divine, you are love. And what will you attract? you will naturally attract this man, because that you both are created together, you both are one. So like attracts like. Basically, if there is fear in you, he's going to mirror that, because fear attracts fear, like attracts like, love attracts love, right? So it is improving. Looks like you are ready to do the inner work. And those who are hearing about inner work for the first time, don't worry. Take a look at the free starters kit in twinflamesuniverse.com, and you will get to know how to go about this, and you will get to know how to heal and how to improve your health. So health in the sense, improve in your inner health, that is your inner world, as well as your physical. So that is natural. When you start improving emotionally, you start reflecting good health in your body also. So continue the healing process. The card next is directly from the masculine, because the masculine suddenly just took over and said, I want to talk to my twin flame, I want to talk to my person. So the first card I have received from the masculine is no. Not no to you. Okay. No to all the things in their current reality. They are not liking their current reality. They want to rise up. They want to rise up to a better vibration, because you are choosing an improving health, improving situation. So naturally, he at a physical level is choosing that also. So he's just saying no to, all the karmic and all the drama, and he doesn't want any of that. He just wants to feel happy and peaceful and have a raised vibration, and he wants to feel good. He just wants to feel good. So he's saying no to all the things that doesn't suit him. Maybe it's a difficult job, or a difficult family situation, or maybe a karmic who he has been clinging on to or sticking on to, a third party. He's saying no to all the low vibrational things that is not suiting him. So he understands that, okay, this is not for him. This sort of low vibration is not for him, and he wants to rise up, because the card is that it's an angel rising upward and saying no to all the unwanted things. That is what I am seeing in this card. Very beautiful message. Your masculine is telling, I'm saying no to everything, because wait and watch. Why he's saying no to everything is because the next card is helpful people. So when this is sweet, this is pretty sweet. So where helpful people is you, he sees with his heart that, oh my God, this person, this beautiful girl, woman have been there for me. She has been so helpful, so compassionate, so kind, so loving towards me, that he only wants to choose helpful people. He only wants to choose people who he can trust, who has loved him truly, not fake loved him, but loved him truly, loved his soul truly. So he understands that you are that to him. You are the helpful soul to him. He recognizes that, okay, this is one person who has loved me throughout, no matter what has happened in my reality, no matter how many times he has ran, blocked, or avoided. This person, the feminine, has just stayed. The masculines are realizing this, that she has just stayed for me, and stayed for me, not waited, but held ground and stayed in unconditional love. So he recognizes that this is unconditional love, and he recognizes it. That's why he's looking at you, your love, your divinity, and saying no to all the unwanted things in his life. This is beautiful. So congratulations to all the feminines and the ones who are in the process where, you are probably not having any contact or anything like that. This card reading is still for you, because it is, you follow this card reading, it will be sure shot. Wait till the end, because I have certain messages in the process. So compromise. There you go. That's a next card. So there is no need to compromise. your love, or there is no need to take from yourself and give to him. That is also what he is communicating to you, that you have been really compassionate, really helpful, but no need to compromise the love towards yourself and then give to him. So if you're doing that, please put a stop to that. Or if you're focusing on him too much, then please put a stop to that and focus on yourself so that he can open up a little more towards you. And all the new feminines who is listening to this card reading, get on to learning mirror exercise. If you're listening to this is your possibility. This is what is going to happen if you do the inner work and if you work on yourself. That is why I said stay tuned, because the angels and the universe and the divine is directly blessing this union as of now. So do receive it. Do type I claim in the messages. Everyone, receive it from the angels right now in your heart. Open your heart and receive it. So there's no need to compromise. Loving your man does not mean that you need to compromise for yourself. You need to have balance. You need to have a reciprocative relationship. That is, you give and you receive the reciprocation in love, but not from a place of control. So bring in that balance, and there is no need to make him the source. Maybe you have loved him, and the reciprocation comes through someone in your family or a friend. Receive that. You deserve it. You deserve that reciprocation of love. And then eventually, when he aligns to you, he will reciprocate to your love. It's a choice. Do you choose the reciprocation? Do you choose balance? Because there is an angel here holding a balance symbol. That is why it's very important to see what is the angel telling you, that balance it. And it is actually your masculine telling, because they do not enjoy when you just simply give and give and give to them, because that is, you are taking from yourself, because that's not really giving, right? When you feel fulfilled and you receive your masculine's love like a soft divine feminine, or like a queen, like a strong powerful queen, where he's taking care of you like a queen, that's what he likes. He doesn't want a servant who is giving and giving. He wants a queen who can receive and receive, because masculines love giving to their feminine. So please put an end to this and focus on giving to yourself, loving yourself, and receiving from the universe, from wherever it is. So if it is not your masculine who is giving you right now, receive from other sources. Receive as much as possible from others. Whoever is loving you, receive it from them. Even on the road, if somebody tells you a good word, receive it. And if you have a receiving block, you can learn mirror exercise and heal this. So yes, you are ready. Wow, okay. Strong messages. So the masculine is telling, this is also a masculine card I have picked. So the masculine is telling that he is ready. He's ready for this. He's ready for you. He's ready to embrace this relationship openly. Like, he is ready to claim you, embrace this relationship, and be with you. And not just in hiding, but openly. He wants to be seen together. His desire is very high in being seen together. He sees you like a goddess. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, it's a goddess looking, it's an Egyptian goddess looking figure here, an angel figure here. So he sees you like this goddess and he wants to treat you like a goddess. So he wants to openly claim you like a goddess, like he wants to claim you like you are his goddess, you are his everything. That is his heart's desire, and it looks like he is fully ready for this. This is the fun part. That's very nice. I did not see this coming. I myself am surprised with these cards because it's very positive, strong positive. Yeah, it's because the card reading started with remain positive. It's beautiful. So, yes, be this queen, be like a goddess Aphrodite, or, whichever goddess you resonate with, it doesn't matter. Just be the goddess version of you. And that's what your masculine likes about you. And that's what he's ready to come and claim. That is what he's ready to openly have a relationship with a divine feminine of yours, and to be in your divine femininity. If you are in victimhood, if you are in neediness, if you are feeling bad when you're taking care of yourself, and if you're feeling alone when you're taking care of yourself, or if you don't have good boundaries, and if you are overgiving or people pleasing, all these things will leak your goddess energy, your divine energy. So put a stop to that and come back to your divinity. And if you don't know how to do that, do come and learn it from an ascension coach here. It is a very strong, powerful way to do this. And I sort of master at this in my coaching because I do practice a lot of divine femininity and a lot of divine process of doing this. So that is why and how I magnetically attracted my masculine, and he does treat me like a goddess 99% of the time. All right. So, yes, it is possible because it is practiced by me through mirror exercise. Yes. So, choose a new direction. Voila. That is also from your masculine. That is that your masculine and a feminine is standing here. Okay. And there is a masculine and a feminine in the picture, and he's leading here. He is showing a new direction. Come, let's leave all the old. Let's leave all the drama. Let's leave all the victimhood, crying, upsets. Let's close the doors to the past and let's just go together into our heaven. I will take you like that. I will take you to heaven. I will hold you. The reason being here, this masculine is holding his feminine in this card deck, and he is choosing the new direction. So you also choose it and just move forward with him. He wants to be happy. So if you choose to be happy, even if you are not in union as of now, your union will just magically happen because if you choose to be happy, because he's just going to be all happy. So don't sit sad and morose. Work on your happiness. This is strong message. He is energetically calling you into this. So choose it. Be happy, be playful, enjoy your day, have a good time. Yes, you might be healing through very difficult blocks, but after healing the blocks, you should feel energized and happy and peaceful and enjoy your day. Not every day working on only inner work. You need to externally, physically give yourself that. Go meet friends, have something nice, eat good food, have a spa, go take a very ritualistic, loving bath, give yourself flowers. So basically, taking care of yourself comes as a part of this, and you should feel taken care of. You shouldn't feel sad like, oh, I'm doing this all by myself. No, you should feel happy doing this. And if there is a block to happiness, again, it is very much healable. It can be healed very easily. Ask your angels. This card, the next card I have received, is directly from the angels with answers for you to move and reach your destination. So ask your angels. There you go. Ask your angels for support. Ask the divine for support. Ask the universe for support, and it will be available. You're not alone in this journey. Walk with the rest of thousands of people who is doing this already. Ascension coaching is a very strong, powerful process to basically do this. I have noticed this literally. My coach has been my guardian angel, or I don't know, like the highest grounding process in my journey. So do claim your support and ask your angels what is your next step, what is your next direction. And whenever you need support, whenever you're feeling sad, you're not alone. Ask your angels and they are ready to help you. This is what the card is saying. You might be feeling sad probably that, oh, I don't have anyone, or not really. You have loads of people. If you're listening to this, then do take a look at Twin Flames Universe Open Forum in Facebook. There are around 40 to 50,000 of people in there walking through this journey. So you're not alone, and there are like around 80 coaches who can guide you. So do go ahead and claim it and see what is it that you need to receive and what is it that you need in this space while walking in this journey. Don't walk in the blind. Receive the support, receive the light from the angels. Now, angels cannot physically come and teach you or tell you or give you anything. They can guide you to places where there are tools to help you heal. There are tools, there are people who are helping you heal. Angels can guide you to that. So choose to go there. There is something better. There you go. Another card with another beautiful feminine angel holding a beautiful bouquet. So, yes, this relationship will get better. It will. There is something better. There is better in love. This angel is covered in love. A lot of pink and purple light, which means there is a lot of healing that is happening even now as you're listening to this card reading. So, yes, you do have a bright future, a better future, not what you're experiencing right now, at least with this person. It is going to be better. It is going to be healing, loving. It is going to be very fruitful and divine. It is going to be divine. That's what I'm saying. I was looking at what is the message the angel is giving me, that yes, there is something better kept for the two of you. And it is important that you go ahead and claim it. Claim it right now with me. Also, write in the comments that you claim it. The angels are literally giving you bouquets of flowers in this. This reading is so powerful and so loving. Like, the angels are really loving the feminines. Just your masculine too. Your masculine has sent these angels to you. It's very beautiful. So, yes, there is something better. So, say yes to all the good things. Say yes to all the better things. Instead of looking at your current reality and being sad, say yes to your union. Say yes to your love. Say yes to your relationship. Say yes to your man taking care of you. Say yes to all that and receive the blessings. The next card, the last card, is success. Okay, I was so tempted to tell what the last card is, because this is why I said that stay tuned till the end. So, whoever is listening to this reading, success is inevitable for you. Success is sure shot for you. And the reason why I'm seeing success here is, looks like you are a person who's ready to do the inner work, who's ready to put in the effort. Relationships, any marriage takes effort. So you are ready to put in the effort. So go ahead and put in the effort, and success is 100% yours. One more thing you need to realize is that you need to hold patience and compassion, because this relationship is a divine relationship. You are created as one. You are created in love. You are meant to be divine lovers, divine husband, wife, divine partners. So it takes work. Don't be upset about the work. Just continue doing the work and the success will be yours. And those who haven't started the work, please go take a look at the starters kit and you will know how to get there. The route, the path is already there. I have done it personally in my union. I started with no union and a twin flame who is not talking to me. So, well, if I can reach here, you can too. So, success is inevitable. Everybody, this is for you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.